Namaste, welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping, how to choose the right car to flip. Number one, you have to study your terrain, your demographics, and your market thoroughly. It's imperative. You have to do this so you can flip the right car. Number two, you have to have a budget. You have to know exactly what this vehicle you're flipping is going to cost you. And I mean from the beginning to the end. Advertising, mechanical, and buying the vehicle. You can't sell vehicles if you don't have a budget. And if you don't budget well, you're not going to be flipping cars too long. Number three, pick vehicles to flip that there's not 100 other dealers selling it. It's very important. You want to stand out. Number four, you need to check out the car you're flipping top to bottom mechanically, because you want to know about all the repairs you're going to have to do, or if there's a major repair. Because if you don't, this is going to throw you back on your flipping car process and take too much time to flip the next. Number five, you want to do your homework and research colors, what's hot and what's not. If it's a lime green car, it might not sell well. You want to think about this. It's very important. Number six, standard transmissions. You may want to stay away from these if it's not a sports car, but it depends on the country. I would highly recommend going for automatic transmissions. Number seven, some import cars sell very well, but you got to remember, you got to get them for the right price. So do your homework once again. Number eight, you want to look at the season you're in. For example, if it's the summer, you may want to sell a sports car or convertible. And if it's the fall, you can look at cars that are affordable for university students. Number nine, know your terrain. A good example, if you're selling to rural areas and they have gravel roads, for example, you want to sell trucks or SUVs with 4x4s. You need to understand your market and your demographics. Number 10, find a niche. If you yourself are a college or university student, you should sell to other college and university students by finding vehicles that are affordable to college and university students. Click on the links below for my ebooks, courses, and merchandise at MasterofFinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And like us on Facebook at Carvelli Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. And don't forget to check out Carvelli.Foundation for some great causes. It's time you get the help you deserve today. Much love. Thanks so much. God bless.